Baby, you just look so beautiful running that broom.
Wait, Marquitos, I don't have bath.
Well, you need to take a bath, baby. I'll tell you what, this is what I want you to do, okay? Because there's only one thing more sexy than a Filipina sweeping the floor. And you know what that is? A Filipina mopping my floor with a little pine saw. Alright folks, good morning. I'll show you all major renovation slash improvement slash upgrade. And I gotta give a shout out to wife number 2. She's the one who come up with us. Because Forrest G is constantly throwing all the balls from the ball pit over into the other yard, and then she's got to crawl over there and go ahead and retrieve everything. So she was actually cleaning these things this morning, and while she was cleaning them, she put them up there, and she's like, that'd be a great idea just to relocate these things to prevent the boy from throwing everything over. So I might order some more for this little area. I don't know, but anyhow, it's a beautiful day here in the neighborhood. Let me show you something Forrest G just did. And I didn't realize it. I never paid attention to these little letters, right? But basically what happened, he's putting his ABCs together. And he was down here, and he had the S in his hand. And usually he gets 2 at a time. So, you know, he'll do A and B, go back, find C and D. So he needed the R. Okay, what did he have in his hand? He had the S in his hand, but he needed the R. Now the R was over here, mixed with a bunch of letters like this. Okay, so he couldn't see the R, but he just looks over. He comes over and he grabs it out from under the pile. And at first, I wasn't paying attention. I'm like, how the hell did that dude know that was the R? Because they were just, you know, the rest of the letters. And then I came over here and I realized, I was like, oh, okay. They're two of the same color. You know, the O and the P are orange, M and the N are yellow, on down the line and so forth. Never paid attention to it, but the dude was missing his R. He just looks over here, sees the color, and says, oh, that's the other one. So he's doing a great job with his ABCs. He can put these ABCs together so quickly. But not only is the dude obviously using the ABCs and the letters for reference, he's also using the color codes. And folks, I'm shooting on a new camera system. I guess it's one of them things where you never say never, right? But I had I'll just tell you what I'm shooting on. I'm shooting on a GoPro Hero 10. I'm shooting 5.3K, 60 frames. So it's bigger than 4K, obviously. But when you say 5.3, it's actually significantly bigger than 4K. You have to look at the chart, see what I'm talking about. But anyhow, I had a love-hate relationship with my GoPro Hero 8. I mean, I put that thing through the test. I dropped it, it bricked, it locked up. What at? Ah, big Kalamansi. See the Kalamansis, Maria? Ooh, there's a big one right there.
Yeah, but I cannot get them.
I got to get you on a chair, baby, so you can get up there and get all the Kalamansis, huh? Look at that Philippine. Ooh, that's a big one right there, baby.
Wow.
That thing is huge.
Maria.
Aw, so sweet. Helping Mama Fatima. Hold a chair for her, Maria. Honey, if you fall, you're going right into that flower bed. Hold your chair, sweetie. Oh, those are some big ones right there.
Mama, tell me off.
Let's see that. Can Papa see? No? Hey, that's a big one.
I need to do
What is wrong with this woman? Careful, baby. Now, you know you got a wasp nest up there, too.
going to that. The chair's doing that.
Don't worry, baby. If you fall and break your neck, we'll have a beautiful funeral for you.
Get those things. I'm not enough.
Get the what?
The other one.
What?
The main.
Hey, that's a big one too. Let's see it. Let me see that big one. Hold on. Folks, take a look at that big one right there. That's a big one. Well, two big ones.
And when I get that, they're going bad.
Three big ones. Careful, baby. There's a big one. There's a lot of big ones. A lot of big ones. Baby, how are you going to get that down with a stick? That's not coming off with a stick. Hold your chair, Maria. I told you now, they got some wasps. They're going to get you. They made wasps, or what we used to call sweat bees. They still going to get after her.
They have a big one. It's so big in there. Oh, can I get that?
Where, baby? Well, let me extend my little selfie pole here. Oh, now I get some height on this thing. Baby, which one are you talking about up here?
Yeah.
Right there? Oh, baby, if you do that, you're going to knock it over the house. I think what you're going to do is bust up my camera. I think that's... What is wrong with this woman? Folks, had a little drama last night. Fatima hacked into my phone, got my girlfriend's cell number. Deleted it. Deleted the text and the number. But there's a little flaw in your plan, baby. Can I tell you the flaw?
She texts you?
No, but there's a little flaw in your plan. Let me tell you which one it is. I know which bar she works at.
You think that I'm not think that?
Folks, so much drama in the LBC. What's the world coming to when your wife don't like your girlfriend? I mean, baby, that's where them wasps are now.
Sleeping.
Yeah, you think they're sleeping.
They sleep.
You should be sleeping on your head.
Just don't quiet in there. You're so noisy. Get the spade. Go get a lighter.
Well, let's see if we can. Where are they at? Right here? Is that them right here? Are they on there? I can't see.
I think they're not there anymore because.
No, there's some on there, I think. Folks, leave it in the comments if there's any on there. Whoa! No, looks like they're dead.
Let me see.
It's over. Over with. This village girl. She just yanked that shit off. Let 8 of them things come out of there and bite you on your hoo-ha.
I'm not there anymore.
Good job, baby.
Where he at? No, where he transferred. Before, in here. No, he's there.
Folks, get yourself a village girl. She'll tear down the wasp nest for you, clean a chicken, clean a fish. She'll even put bait on your hook. Honey, maybe you're abusing this Kalamansi tree. I'm going to call a brown guy and report you. Baby, look out, there's a landlord. Get it, baby. Oh, look at these. Yes, sweetie girl.
Yeah, look, oh, they're yellow now, so they're going bad.
There's 1, 2. What's sweetie here? What? That's a tomato? It looks like a tomato. Got one more here.
Have more in here.
Yeah, this thing
After
is
I'm not
producing
get
all
always
kind of calamansis.
start of always get.
Nice. Smell that, babe.
Yeah, look on.
Smell like weed. Dude there. What about this big guy here?
No, this is...
What are you, a Kalamansi expert?
Oh yeah, this big one. Just put in the cooler, ah. You have more in the top.
Hey, look at this right here. Look at that. Hey, good looking Kalamansi. Better than any you can buy at the market. Good job, baby.
Yes, you have more in. They have more. But I cannot get inside.
Let's go next door, borrow the ladder, baby.
Manang, oh, tamatis, tunte.
Maria, are those tomates or calamansis?
Tamati.
Tomates?
Taan. Ma, tamati lang.
Baby, you finna fall off that chair, I'm telling you.
Oh,
Listen, that one leg on the front of that chair is crying right now.
Oy. Tummy off. Oy.
I'm just gonna sit back here and film.
Paang din.
Yes, sweetie.
Tamati.
Yeah, 2 tomates. Go get one more. Mama Tima's got one more tomate. Baby, come off of that chair. My gosh. Anyhow, folks, back to what I was talking about. I'm shooting on a GoPro Hero 10.
Ma, tapon na.
Man, I haven't really liked GoPros over the years. They're not reliable. This is my personal opinion, based on experience. They're not 100% reliable. I don't remember what statistic I put on the last one. They're about, I don't know, 75% reliable. When they work, they're great. But reliability has always been an issue. You know, the last one I had bricked, it came back to life, it bricked again. I gave it to Eric, he couldn't get it to work. And that's just what you go through with GoPros. And I said, I'm done with them. Well, DJI came out with the Action 2, and to be honest, I'm not impressed. I think the Action 1 looked a little bit better. The DJI Pocket looks better, and the audio wasn't where I thought it needed to be. So I was excited about that Action 2 coming out. It's a little bitty square. You can wear it around your neck. It's modular. If the audio had been better than the GoPro, I definitely went with it. But a good thing about that Hero 8 was the audio. And the audio is the big challenge when you're shooting video, right? So I was always happy with the audio coming out of that Hero 8. Anyhow, I've been shooting for what, a year now on the iPhone 12 mini. Great camera, stabilization is good. It puts out a great product, right? Okay, so why did I buy a GoPro? Well, I realized that they upgraded the chip, right? This has, I can't remember what it is, a GP2 chip. Anyhow, the previous GoPros up until this 10, from what I understand, had the same chip in it, right? So it's the same problem over and over every year. The chip just couldn't handle, it didn't have enough horsepower to handle it. And I said, you know what, they got a new chip, let me give these folks another chance. And the other reason that I did it, because I realized that when I had my GoPro, I did a lot more walking. I did a lot more walking tours, and laid down a lot more footage. I don't know why. And I'm almost thinking maybe because when I'm shooting on the iPhone, I get a call, I get a text, I get distracted. Next thing you know, I'm walking down the fucking road, texting or whatever I'm doing, and I'm not filming, I'm not focused. And the other thing too is I don't hand my iPhone to anybody and say, hey, can you hold this and film? Because it's your phone, right? With a GoPro, I mean, yeah, it's $500, whatever. But I'm not scared to hand a GoPro to somebody and say, hey, can you hold this? Or, hey, all you gotta do is push the button and start filming, right? It's too easy. Anyhow, I said, you know what? Let me pick that up. So I'm gonna give it a shot. I did a test the other night, late at night, and already knew the results, really. GoPros are horrible at night. They're not for nighttime. Can't use a GoPro at night. Stabilization goes to crap. Horrible low light quality. All that good stuff. It's a daytime camera. The iPhone does much better at night. So if you're thinking about getting a GoPro versus an iPhone, you're going to do any type of filming, low light, at night, indoors, just get the iPhone. If you got the money, get the 13 Pro Max with a terabyte and you're off to the races. And plus you can edit video on the iPhone. Plus you get a new phone. It's a great camera system. But you're looking at $2,000 versus $500 for a GoPro. Okay, so anyhow, I'm giving this another chance. I think GoPro's coming out with some new camera systems this year that's going to be a little bit different from what I understand. We'll see. But anyhow, so there you go. I'm going to start shooting some video on this Hero 10. See if it gives me the same problems as before with the 8. You know, the locking up, the freezing, the overheating. And we'll see. And you guys can, over the next 10, 15 videos, you can let me know which system is better, the 10 or the iPhone 12 mini. Doesn't matter.